This is Bibiana. She was very interested in restoring and maintaining a lifted, youthful look, but was very concerned that her results look as natural as possible. She didn't want to look overfilled. So we used a fairly new technology for her case called Nova PDO Threads. These are dissolving threads that are injected into the face to create instant lifting results and long-term collagen regrowth. And it doesn't require adding a lot of volume. You can see in her photos that there's an immediate result, but she's a little swollen right after the procedure, and that's completely normal with any kind of injection. But when you look at her 1 week later, you see that the swelling is gone, and the result is a beautiful lifted cheek contour that's extremely natural. Filler would have been the wrong choice for her because her cheeks are already full. So what she needed was a little lifting action, and threads were a perfect choice for a patient like her.
I feel very refreshed. I feel like it wasn't an extreme look, but it feels like just looks softer, smoother. I just feel really good.